This method is completely brand new. You probably had people talk about how to make money watching videos on YouTube before. I'm going to show you the easiest and laziest way to do this with a little effort and time. You can do this on your smartphone, your tablet or your computer while you're sitting at home in your spare time. Currently available anywhere around the world. Don't stress, this has no nation limitations. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make money online. If you stick with me till the end, I have a special bonus for you. I'll give you a free tool that will place everything on total autopilot, so you can double your potential earning. Before we go further into this video, welcome to this channel, where I'll be teaching you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, press the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Hello guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. So I'm going to show you step by step. Before I show you how to do this, I want you to pay real close attention to this so you do not miss any key step to this. I want you to go over to YouTube and search for motivational videos. As you can see, there's tons of videos out there and they have millions of views on their videos. You do not have to create a video or film yourself or record your voice for this method. You do not even have to upload videos to YouTube. Don't stress, because this method is very easy to do so. I want you to go to this website. It's called uii.io. It's a website where you can earn money for a visitor who clicks on your links. It's very easy to sign up for this website and make some money. Before I show you how to sign up for this website, I want you to look at this. As you can see, it's available all around the world. United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, United States, all over the world, and they have different type of payout rates over here. As you can see, you can literally do that on mobile, tablet or even on your computer, so it's gonna be very easy. So what you have to do is, for this method, is you're gonna have to pursue other people to click on your link, and that way you'll get paid very good amount of money. So when I click on payment proof over here, as you can see, tons of people are getting paid every single day, and you're gonna get paid through PayPal. So it's very simple for this method. As you can see, they're getting paid $9, $80, $36, over $200 and many more. So this website is 100% real. I'm going to show you how to sign up for this website. So to simply sign up, click on this over here and it's going to take you a page look like this. So you're gonna have to create a username over here, then you're gonna put your email, then you're gonna enter your password again, then you're gonna agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then you simply click on register. After you sign up for this website, it's going to take you to your dashboard over here. And as you can see, there's $0 because we have not made any money yet. So I'm going to show you how to do this. To simply do this, you want to click over here. What you want to do is you want to put your YouTube link over here. So I'm going to go to the YouTube video. As you can see, it has shortened our link over here. So what you want to do is you want to copy the link. Now you're gonna ask me how you're gonna convince people to click on your link. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I want you to come over to Google Docs over here and I want you to type something like that, so it's going to convince people to click on your link. So I'm going to put my link over here. Then you're going to repeat the process. I recommend you to use at least 3 videos to people to watch. That way you'll make more money off of this method. I'm going to repeat the process and paste the link. Paste the second link over here and same thing. Now you're gonna ask me where you're gonna post this to get people to click on this, and it's very simple. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you right away. So before I show you, what you have to do is you want to click on file over here and click on download, and you want to download it as PDF file. This is a website that has millions of visitors every single day. As you can see, this post has over 1 million views. And this one has 2 million views, over 5 million views and many more. So it's very simple to sign up for this website. To literally sign up, you click on sign up over here. After you sign up for this website, you want to click on upload over here to upload your PDF file so you can get people to click on your links. It's a very simple method. I hope you find it very helpful. I highly encourage you to try out this method and make a tons of money online. If you like similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you find it helpful, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, comment down below. I hope to see you in next video. Until then, stay safe.